Welcome guys, today I will be showing you how you can hide your data inside a picture file or sim or .jpg file having extension .jpg, and you can hide anything you want. But initially you should have a compressor like 7-zip, console manager or a Windows RAR. You should must have this compressor file, otherwise it is not possible to hide and do this process. And I will work in the desktop, so I kept this to one video and a picture file in a desktop. I have a aa.jpg picture file inside which I will keep this video, and its size is 107 MB, and the size of this picture file is 1.26 MB. But after I keep this video file inside this picture file, then the overall size of this picture file will be 1, instead of 1.26 it will be 1.26 plus 107 MB, and it will be 108 MB. And now let's start our tutorial. But initially, when you may not have seen the extension file aa.jpg or like this .mp4 extension file in your desktop, and it is because due to, and you can go to view and look at the file check item. There may not be unchecked like this file name in the place of file name extension, so that the file will not show its extension. Like now it is only showing a.aa, and this video is not showing .mp4 extension. But if I check this file name extension box and come to desktop, now it is showing aa.jpg and this is showing .mp4. I prefer checking this file name extension because it is needed necessarily in this video to type its name plus extension. We should know the extension of our file while typing it. So first let's start. You should now create a compressed zip folder in the desktop. I name it as make.jpg, and you can rename it as whatever you like. And I will insert this video file inside this make.jpg. I will insert this video file inside make.jpg. Sorry, it takes time. Now it is going because it is a B file of 108 MB. Now it inside, look, and now it has created a file, and it is the same file that I have on the desktop, and now it is inside the compressed file. I can open also like this by 7-zip, open archive. Look, now it has created now video. I can also play this. Now I have also created this. Now I can delete this video file. Now let's start our tutorial. First, go to command prompt, right click on the Microsoft icon and choose command prompt. I prefer simple only, not the admin, because admin creates lot of problem during this. Command prompt, click, and now change its directory as desktop. Now change the directory to desktop. Now we type the command as copy/b. Now we have to take the slash as like this /b, and now our picture file with extension. We should never neglect the extension because it is very required to keep it. Now aa.jpg, first the picture file inside which we want to keep the compressed file, and now plus the compressed file make.zip compressed file, and finally we have to create a new picture file, so that is the summation of this aa.jpg and make.jpg. Let's name it as ll.jpg. We have to also write the extension. Now let's check it. Now you can look at the desktop file. Now it has shown the ll.jpg, and it is the same file overall as aa.jpg. If we look by outer surface, But if we look the size of this image, it is many times than the before one. And look, if you compare the size of aa.jpg and ll.jpg, aa has the size of 1.26 MB, but the ll.jpg has 180 MB. As I stated earlier, the ll.jpg is the overall summation of the size of the aa.jpg and make.jpg. So it has very high size, because the size of this make.jpg is 107 MB and this is 1.28 MB, and the summation of this is 180 MB. Now if we look this ll.jpg, it is same as before as a, but we can open it. You can also copy this and send to other removable disks and send to other your friends and other people, and nobody knows about it. And it is so nobody knows about it that it also has the video file inside it. And now we have created a new picture which has both the initial picture as well as the video. But now how to open this? It is very simple to open it. You can directly rename from here. Single click first at it, and after some time again click it, then it gives you chance to rename. But I prefer to rename from here. REN, it is the command prompt to rename the initial file ll.jpg. Initial means the resultant of the file of the summation of the console file, and the jpg file ll.jpg to which name you want to change. I prefer same name ll. But the extension will be changed. I prefer RAR, and you can choose also .jpg zip. It is the same extension as the compressed file. Now hit enter. Now you can see that ll.jpg has been transformed into ll.rar. Now if we refresh, then it looks like a compressed file, and if we open 7-zip from it, now we can look at here. We can look this video and it plays as earlier. So, and again if we want to change into a picture file, you can do from here ren to ll.rar to ll.jpg and hit enter, or otherwise you can directly change its name from ll.rar to change it. Not need to change its extension file name, but only the extension rar and rar, no, it's jpg, sorry for that. rar, it is initially rar, now jpg. Now it okay. If you change the file name extension, the file might become unusable, but we have already linked between this aa.jpg and this make.jpg, so we need not to say no. We can directly say yes, and it shows ll.jpg as aa.jpg as before. And now we can delete this both file, move to recycle bin, and now original file is here, which contains both the picture file as well as the video file, and this size is 108 MB. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you subscribe, you will get the latest videos from me, which contains like these hacks and tricks, so that trick your friends. Thanks for watching the video.